Hi, hello friends. Last video we discussed about the Alith and why Alith was used in the LAS everything. In this video we set up the Alith in your desktop and how to set up, how to install the Alith in your desktop PC, laptop, I think. So first we need to enter the command python-m. If you are a Windows user, you can use this command. If you are a Mac user, use python 3 -m and env. Okay, yes, I entered. It will create a virtual environment file. What the use of virtual environment file is to avoid the storage of the package installations. If you install the package in your without the virtual environment file, it will be stored in your laptop storage. Using this virtual environment file, you can install the package. It will be not affect your storage. If you delete this, the package is also deleted. Okay, so first I activate the virtual environment slash script slash activate. Okay, I activated. You can see the virtual environment file was activated. So now I install the Alith. Okay, link installed. It takes some more time. This is the Alith packages completely installed. Before that, we ensured the Python was installed in your laptop perfectly, and it will be more than 12.8 version. Okay. Ensure that you have a Python in your laptop. Without Python, it will not use, and it will be show some error. Oh, it's successfully installed. The next video we start with the code and some more examples, some interesting cool examples about the Alith and how to create a bots like that in and agents in the future videos. So this is the installation step. Okay, bye.